Did you know that diabetes and heart disease kill more people each year than almost anything else? And the warning signs often come too late? Most people don't realize that their kitchen may already hold a powerful natural solution. That's why you need to watch this video till the end, because today, we'll show you a simple recipe using onions that can help balance your blood sugar, clean your arteries, and protect your heart. It's easy to make. It uses only 3 ingredients. And it's backed by real science. Diabetes doesn't happen overnight. It builds up silently, starting with slightly elevated blood sugar, tiredness, frequent urination, and blurry vision. But deep inside your body, excess sugar is damaging your blood vessels. It makes your arteries stiff. It feeds inflammation. And, eventually, it damages your heart. That's why people with diabetes are 2 to 4 times more likely to die from heart disease. And the scariest part? Many people don't even know they have it. According to the World Health Organization, more than 420 million people around the world have diabetes. And millions more are undiagnosed. And while medications can help, they often come with side effects like liver damage, weight gain, or low blood sugar episodes. That's why so many are turning to natural remedies. And onions might just be one of the most powerful natural remedies you're not using correctly. Onions are not just flavor boosters. They are medicinal. Packed with antioxidants, sulfur compounds, and a powerful flavonoid called quercetin, onions can reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar, thin the blood, and even break down cholesterol buildup. Quercetin is especially powerful. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is the root problem in type 2 diabetes. One study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research showed that people who took onion extract daily experienced a significant drop in fasting blood sugar levels and LDL cholesterol. That means lower sugar and cleaner arteries at the same time. Plus, onions are rich in sulfur. This compound prevents blood platelets from sticking together, which lowers the risk of clots, the main cause of heart attacks and strokes. Sulfur also helps detoxify your liver, which is essential because your liver regulates blood sugar and cholesterol. But here's the thing. Most people don't get these benefits from just cooking onions in food. Why? Because high heat destroys many of these delicate compounds. That's why today's recipe is so important. It uses raw onion, combined with 2 other ingredients that enhance its power: raw honey and lemon juice. Let's look at why. Raw honey isn't just sugar. When it's unprocessed and organic, honey contains enzymes, antioxidants, and natural antibacterial properties. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that raw honey helped lower blood sugar and improve heart function in people with diabetes. It also supports gut health, which plays a major role in overall blood sugar control. And lemon juice, well, it's a powerhouse of vitamin C. This vitamin reduces oxidative stress, improves circulation, and boosts the absorption of quercetin and sulfur from onions. It also helps alkalize the body, which creates an environment where inflammation just can't thrive. Now imagine what happens when you combine all 3: onion, raw honey, and lemon juice. You create a powerful tonic that can help fight insulin resistance, unclog arteries, reduce inflammation, and even support weight loss by balancing blood sugar. Here's how to make it. First, take 1 medium red onion. Red onions contain more quercetin than white ones. Peel and grate it finely. Then add 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix well in a glass jar. Let this mixture sit for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight, at room temperature. This allows the juices to blend and the healing compounds to activate. Once ready, take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach in the morning and another before bedtime. Do this consistently every day for 2 to 4 weeks and observe how your body responds. Many people report feeling more energetic, having fewer sugar cravings, seeing better blood sugar readings, and even lower blood pressure. It's important to stay hydrated while taking this mixture, so, drink plenty of water during the day. Now, why does this simple recipe work so well? because it addresses the root causes of diabetes and heart disease: inflammation, oxidative stress, and blood sugar imbalance. Most modern medications only manage symptoms. This remedy supports your body's natural healing processes. And the best part? It's safe, inexpensive, and made from ingredients you likely already have. But hey, don't just take our word for it. In a review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers found that diets rich in quercetin and sulfur compounds, both found in onions, were linked to significantly reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Another study in Nutrition and Metabolism showed that regular consumption of onion extract helped reduce body weight, improve insulin function, and lower blood lipids. This means less belly fat, more stable energy, and a healthier heart. All from a simple food. So if you've been struggling with blood sugar issues, fatigue, or just want to protect your heart, this recipe is a must-try. It doesn't replace your doctor or your medication, but it gives your body extra tools to heal and function better. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. So before you throw out those onions sitting in your kitchen, think twice. They might just be the medicine your body is craving. Now that you know how powerful this onion, honey, and lemon recipe is for balancing blood sugar and clearing arteries, let's talk about something even more important: your pancreas. This small organ sits behind your stomach, and it quietly works every single day to produce insulin. Insulin is what helps move sugar out of your blood and into your cells for energy. Without enough insulin, or if your cells stop responding to it, blood sugar builds up. That's how type 2 diabetes begins. Most people don't know that high blood sugar slowly damages the pancreas. The more sugar in your bloodstream, the harder your pancreas has to work. Over time, it gets tired. It produces less insulin. And that's when things start to go really wrong. Nerve damage, vision problems, kidney failure, even limb amputations. It's not just sugar. It's a full-body health risk. But here's where this onion recipe becomes even more valuable. The compounds in onions, especially quercetin and sulfur, have been shown to reduce inflammation in pancreatic tissue. In a study published in Frontiers in Nutrition, researchers found that onion extract not only lowered blood glucose levels, but also protected the pancreatic beta cells from oxidative stress. These are the very cells that produce insulin. When they're inflamed or destroyed, you need insulin shots for life. But if you protect them early enough, you give your body a chance to recover. That means more stable blood sugar, fewer spikes, and less stress on your pancreas. And don't forget raw honey and lemon. They help too. Raw honey supports gut health, and new research shows that gut bacteria play a big role in regulating insulin and blood sugar. A healthy gut means better digestion, better nutrient absorption, and better blood sugar control. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, lowers oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest causes of insulin resistance. Together, these three ingredients create a healing synergy. But there's more. One of the hidden benefits of this onion recipe is its impact on your weight. When your blood sugar is high, your body keeps storing fat, especially around your belly. Insulin tells your body to hold on to fat. So, the more insulin you produce, the more you gain weight, even if you're eating less. But when you take this onion recipe regularly, your insulin levels stabilize. Your cravings go down. You don't feel hungry all the time. You stop having those energy crashes after meals, and that helps you lose weight, especially dangerous belly fat. In a study published in Nutrition and Metabolism, overweight participants who consumed onion extract lost more fat and showed better cholesterol levels than those who didn't. This isn't a fad diet. It's real science. And the best part? There's no side effect like those from weight loss pills or crash diets. This recipe works with your body, not against it. It also supports liver detox. Your liver helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. When your liver is clogged with fat or toxins, everything else suffers. The sulfur in onions helps flush out toxins from the liver. Lemon juice enhances this cleansing process. So not only does this recipe help your blood sugar and heart, It also helps your liver and metabolism function better. But wait, who should not take this remedy? That's important too. If you're allergic to onions or garlic, don't use it. It can cause irritation or even a reaction. If you're already on blood thinners like warfarin, consult your doctor first. Onion naturally thins the blood, and combining it with medications may increase the effect. Also, if you have low blood sugar or hypoglycemia, be cautious. This remedy can further reduce your blood sugar, which could be dangerous if not monitored. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult a health professional before trying it. That said, for most adults, especially those over 40, this mixture is safe and highly beneficial. So, how long should you take it? Well, we recommend using it for 3 to 4 weeks straight. Then take a break for 1 week. You can repeat this cycle throughout the year. During the first few days, you may notice increased urination or mild detox symptoms. That's normal. It just means your body is flushing out toxins and balancing your system. After about a week, people usually report better energy, less bloating, reduced sugar cravings, and better focus. After 2 to 3 weeks, many see improvements in their blood sugar readings, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Some even notice clearer skin and better sleep. It's that powerful. But don't rely on this recipe alone. To get the best results, combine it with healthy habits. Eat more whole foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and berries. Avoid processed sugars and refined oils. Drink plenty of water. Move your body daily, even if it's just a walk. And make sure you get enough sleep. This onion remedy is a tool, not a magic bullet, but it can give your body the support it needs to heal naturally. So, why aren't more people using it? Well, because the medical system focuses on prescriptions, not prevention. Because we're told to treat symptoms, not the root cause. But nature has always had answers. You just have to look in the right place. And often, that place is your kitchen. So if you or someone you love is struggling with high blood sugar, cholesterol, fatigue, or heart concerns, don't wait. Start with this simple, natural, and effective remedy. Red onion, raw honey, lemon juice. That's it. 3 ingredients that, when combined correctly, can support your heart, cleanse your arteries, protect your pancreas, and help you feel better than you have in years. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new remedy, especially if you're on medications. But don't underestimate what this can do. Try it for a few weeks. Let your body feel the difference. And if it helps you, share it. Someone you know might be one step away from serious illness. And this recipe could be the step that brings them back. Your health is your wealth. And sometimes, the simplest remedies are the most powerful. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and stay healthy, naturally.